Hi everyone, Mr. McCabe here, and I'm going to just give you a little tutorial on how to submit things using Google Classroom. I've been getting a lot of questions, and don't worry, it is actually a pretty easy and user-friendly program. Now, Google Classroom is basically the tool at which you will use to submit documents to me, at least at first, rather than you coming to class with a hard copy of a homework or a project. You're going to use this to submit, and it's really a great tool for you to hold on and keep organized in the end. So what you can do is there are a couple things. One, to find it, you can either go to your apps up here, but if you haven't downloaded an app, simply type in Google Classroom or Classroom into Google, and it'll bring you to this. You click on the very first link, and it's going to bring you to your home page. Now, if other teachers are using Google Classroom, you'll see all of the teachers on this very same home page. But in this case, it's just me, U.S. History, period number 5. So I'm going to click on that, and this will bring me to the home screen of Google Classroom for this particular class. And now in this case, you can see that I have an assignment here, Essence of America, your very first assignment for U.S. History 1. Now, what you're going to do is you can open up the assignment, and once you do, you'll actually see the document that I've attached inside. Now, all I have to do is simply click on that document. And what's great about Google Classroom is as soon as you go ahead and open that document, and you choose to open with Google Docs, it's going to work to create and save automatically a special document created just for you. And when it does eventually pop up, you'll see in the very title of homework, Essence of America, New Kid. If you want to change it, you don't have to. You can change the title as best as you can. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to complete the project myself. So I can delete that box very simply. I want to say add my photo. I go insert image. I drag and drop what other photo I decided to, that was my Essence of America, what I'm really believing to be the true meaning behind America. I upload the photo, depending on your internet speed. This might be a fast process or a slow process. Mine is a rather slow process. I add the photo. There you go. And now I'm ready to go. So all I have to do is, now that photo is created, I create my thesis statement, my body paragraph, and let's say I'm all ready to go, and I'm ready to submit my document. So I go back to the Google Classroom, and just as if you were adding an attachment to an email or even a text message, you click, easily click add. And now there are a couple ways you can do it. You can add a file from your computer. If you created a link to, say, a website or another image somewhere, you can click link. In this case, I'm going to go to my Google Drive. And once you click Google Drive, it is going to bring you to the Drive account that each one of you now has with your Gmail account. So I can click on Classroom. I can click on U.S. History, and I can click on my Essence of America project. Now, for each of you, there should only be one Essence of America project. I've done this a couple times now, so there are multiple. I can simply click the one I want. I click Add. I wait for it to load. Great. There's the one created by New Kid, and then I click Turn It In. Is this what I want? Absolutely. Now, what I would suggest is, before you turn it in, you can actually now take off the attachment that I added, and I can just simply turn in the project that I started by creating the first document. Turning in, done. and now you see the green check mark, you have successfully completed something. Now if you wanted to say, oh no, I turned in the wrong document, no big deal. Click unsubmit, and then you can once again put on the document that fills the requirements of the project. So that's a basic tutorial on how to use Google Classroom when submitting documents. If you have any other questions, feel free to email me at any point. But I hope this video helps.